really busy, lots of things going on. I traveled on a couple of occasions, and so that's why I've been away. But I have a quick Easter video for you today, a craft I am planning to give to my grandchildren. And so I hope that you will join me for that today, and I hope to see you on a more consistent basis. Thanks so much for hanging in with me. I send you all my love and God's blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys. So I have a table full of Dollar Tree items that I got so that I could put together a cute Easter decor. I've got some wood pieces here, some decor pieces, a sign. I found this really pretty material. Let me see what it is. It's just this craft fabric, which I thought was really pretty. These little carrots, which are erasers. They're wooden rabbits from the dollar store, $1.25 each. I thought those were perfect. I'm gonna get started. Let's go. Let's take this hanging piece of, I thought this was kind of cute. It just says Happy Easter. Next, we're gonna work with the wood that I bought at the dollar store. I got 2 pieces of this square wood, only because I didn't have the pieces that are one size. And then I bought this little crate because I want to lift it up with that by gluing these 2 pieces together. And I'm holding them real tight together. You can find the one that is about this size all in one piece, then that would work even better. I want to place this so that it doesn't stick out in the back. So let me just add hot glue here. And let's give that a few minutes to dry. Next, I'm going to use this little crate that I got at Dollar Tree as well for $1.25. Let me remove the sticker in the back. Going to glue it right here because I want one of the bunny rabbits to be a little bit higher than the other one. Right there. It'll just bring it up a little bit higher. I love this fabric that I got at the Dollar Tree because it just looks like sand, and it's so soft and a little velvety. So I am going to cover the top of this with this material. I'm going to turn this around and start gluing it to the wood. I miss doing my crafts, you guys. I haven't done one since the last time I made one with you guys. I have decorated though. I did decorate my guest bathroom to like an oceany sailboat theme. So I did do that. This is how it's looking so far. And I just have to glue the back now. Next, I just mixed a couple of paints so I could try and match the color of the fabric, and I'm painting the crate in the bottom. I'm going to glue this piece of wood, which happens to be like 2.5 inches by a foot, and we're going to glue it to the back part. Let's see. As you can see, the bottom of this sign is not even. I'm going to make it even with these craft sticks. I'm going to cut pieces of it. There's the word paint. Okay, see? And that's what I did in order to glue it. So let me add glue on top of this now. And glue the sign on there. As you can see, I also added more craft sticks in the back to make it more secure. Here's how it's looking so far. I love that sign in the back that looks like a fence. And look at this garland that I bought. It's so pretty and colorful. I am going to use that later on in the back. But next, I'm going to use the egg garland, and I am going to hot glue that along the bottom of the decor, like in front of the crate. Here's how it's looking so far. I think it's kind of cute, and I hope my grandkids love it. Now I am going to start adding those flowers from the garland. I cut the flowers, and I'm just gonna glue them one by one in the back just to make the back look a little nicer. So it's time to start working on the front of the decor, and I'm going to start by hot gluing the two little bunnies down. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of the fake grass, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in front of the rabbits as if they were eating a little bit of grass. They're so cute. And so remember the little eraser carrots that I have? I'm just gonna hot glue those all around, and I'm going to put one in front of each of the rabbits because of course they have to eat their carrots. I'm gluing the grass with a little bit of Mod Podge, and these are some pretty baby's breath from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add a few of those as well, and of course we have to give them some cottontails. And that's it for today, my friends. I think it's rather cute. I can't wait to give it to my grandkids and see what they think. Anyway, I also did paint little eyeballs on the rabbits. This one got red eyeballs and this one got brown eyeballs. So I hope you like it, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Take good care. Bye, guys.